Most people think making money online requires a massive skill set they don't have yet. They wait until they learn more or the time is right. But the internet has shifted. Today, the people earning the most aren't always the most expert. They're the ones using the right tools. Welcome to Beyond Google. Today, I'm showing you 3 platforms helping everyday people generate income faster than expected. 1. Gumroad, the digital storefront. If you've never heard of Gumroad, think of it as the simplest way to sell anything digital. Sign up, upload a file, share a link, and get paid. That's it. You don't need a website, coding skills, or a complex payment processor. Gumroad handles the back end and takes a small percentage of sales in exchange for a global storefront. The magic of Gumroad is scalability. You create the product once and it sells while you sleep. Start small. Price a useful guide at $10. If 100 people buy it, that's $1,000 from work you did once. Gumroad removes every technical excuse to stop you from starting. 2. Fiverr, the AI tools section. You likely know Fiverr as a freelance marketplace, but there's a massive shift happening in their AI tools section. The old model required years of mastery to sell a service. The new reality? Buyers are paying for outcomes, not just hours. They want a logo, a script, or a business plan. And AI tools now do 80% of that heavy lifting. The opportunity isn't just using AI, it's knowing how to prompt, refine, and add a human layer of judgment to the output. By mastering tools for AI writing, image generation, or data analysis, you can deliver high-quality work in a fraction of the time. Check the AI services category on Fiverr. 3. Stan Store, the link in bio powerhouse. If you use Instagram or TikTok, you've seen those link in bio pages that look like clean, one-tap shops. That's usually Stan Store. It was built for creators who want to monetize without building a full website. It turns your social media presence into a direct sales channel instantly. You don't need 1 million followers. If you have 1,000 people who trust your advice on a niche topic, whether it's fitness, cooking, or career coaching, Stan Store connects that trust to a purchase. You can sell mini courses, one-on-one coaching sessions, calendar bookings, or community memberships. It collapses the distance between someone discovering your content and paying you for your value. If this helped, stick around, there's more coming.